All right, everyone, this should look pretty familiar. Here is Peroni, but it is the non-alcoholic version. I have never had the non-alcoholic version, um, and I'm looking forward to trying it. And yeah, what can I say about Peroni? I mean, it's to me, it's a dad beer. I don't know if that is the case for anybody else, but it's because this is a beer that my dad likes. This might be his favorite, the regular version of Peroni. Um, if it's not his favorite, it's definitely up there. So um, so yeah, shout out to Pops. Um, but yeah, we're gonna drink this one out the bottle because that's kind of how I've always done Peroni. Um, so let's smell it first. You got that mostly skunky kind of smell, maybe a little maltiness, but mostly smelling the skunkiness. It's a strong scent. It's been a little while since I have had the regular version of Peroni, so it's hard for me to say exactly how much this tastes like it. But I would say very close just from that initial taste. Um, the side by side would probably tell us a bit more. Um, but I would say I definitely wouldn't really notice the difference if I was like blindfolded or something. If you gave me this and told me it was a Peroni and I drank it and did not see the 00, I just on that one sip I could tell you I would not ask any questions. I would think it's a Peroni. So if that's what you're wondering, there you have it. It tastes like Peroni. Um, if you want to know how closely it tastes like Peroni, all I can say is pretty close. Maybe very close. Uh, but yeah, if you don't know what Peroni tastes like, it's got like a skunky, malty, just like how I said it smelled. Um, Maybe a little more on the sweeter side when compared to like a Heineken, which is also known for that iconic skunky kind of flavor. And there's a few others as well. Um, but yeah, it's a refreshing beer and it's a very like distinct. I mean, at least this style is like a very distinct kind of style. So, um, yeah, like if you like Peroni, obviously you like this. If you like Heineken, Becks, that kind of stuff, this is that it's like that kind of style. There's definitely differences. Like I said, I feel like this like Peroni. I feel like it's a little like sweeter. It's not a sweet beer, but it's like when compared to like a Heineken, I feel like this one's a little has like a little more sweetness to it. Mm. Light, uh, pretty heavily carbonated. Um, yeah, light. Yeah, I would say I would say light. Refreshing, very drinkable, very much. Um, yeah, and ideal setting for me. Um, the times that I've always had Peroni was really like at an Italian restaurant, um, just like at the bar before having dinner or maybe even at the table. I'm not like a big cocktail guy. Maybe maybe I'll have a little bit of wine before dinner, um, but I would say that I'm probably more likely. I mean, these days I'm not drinking much wine at all, but um, I I was usually going for these like before before the Italian dinner. I like having this at a Italian restaurant at the bar right before cozy neighborhood spot, something like that. So I think that would be the ideal setting for me. Um, so yeah, let's see what the bottle says here. Nastro Azzurro, uh, 0.0. I guess Nastro Azzurro. Does that mean non-alcohol, or is that on all of the bottles and I just don't know what it means? I don't know. Uh, Qualitia Superior Birra Roma Peroni. Sorry about the accent, everybody. That's rough. Alcohol free. Ingredients: water, barley, malt, Italian maize, hops. Italian maize, you don't see that in most beers ingredients. So they get some points for that. That's pretty cool. Um, but yeah, I mean, there you have it. The Peroni 0.0. Drink it before a big plate of, I don't know, penne Alfredo, or whatever you have. Maybe some gnocchi. This would be good with that. Some bread with uh, the olive oil and just a bunch of people laughing. Maybe like an old uncle telling jokes or something. That's where you want this. Okay? Figure out how to set that up and try it out.